just came downstairs getting ready to go to the gym, get my pre-workout, protein made up, and I open the blinds up and I look outside and it is a blizzard. So roads are going to be a mess getting to the gym today. Cannot wait for this drive. You can see the truck covered in snow. Gonna have to brush it off. Probably got some ice last night. Gonna have to scrape the windshield. So off to the gym now. Hopped in my truck to grab my brush it off, and look, and there's snow on my seat, my floor, and my steering wheel, and realized that last time I drove my truck was Tuesday, and it was 60 degrees out, and I had the window down, and I left it down about a half inch, so a bunch of snow got in my truck. All right, so made to the gym, and roads are a little slick. And as I was waiting to pull out on the main road from leaving my apartment complex, I had a car slide into me. And that is why I leave a hitch in my truck year round. No damage to my truck. Decent sized hole on his front bumper. Okay, today was back, trap, and bicep day. You can see me starting off here with some overhand barbell rows. I superset these with underhand barbell rows, slightly wider grip on those. Doing 4 sets of 4 to 6 on the overhand and 15 to 20 or so on the underhand. Just started using the Chic wrist straps, so it might look a little weird in the video. Really love them, great item to the gym bag. Here you can see me doing on the left side of the video. I am out of it, did not realize it, but I am doing straight arm pull downs, superset with wide grip lat pull downs. These are probably one of my favorite exercises. I really feel like they help develop the lat fully. Supersetting these 4 sets of 15 to 20 on the straight arms, and then 4 to 6 on the wide grip lat pull down. These 2 exercises combined really make my lats burn at the end of the workout, and definitely feeling it the next day. Starting off here, I am doing some trap shrugs. Really help develop those traps. I do overhand and underhand superset as well, 4 sets again. I am really using my wrist straps here because even though I'm 24, I have horrible grip strength, like I've said before, and from working in the cold the past few winters, my hands have gotten really, really weak. Not sure exactly why, but I know the cold has to have something to do with it. But especially when I'm doing underhand, the wrist straps, they really help me out. I kind of just let the weight hang there while I focus on the muscle contraction of the traps. So these are a great item, and I do recommend them to anyone that is kind of struggling with grip strength. They'd be a great addition to anyone's gym bag. Here I am not using my wrist straps or the stabilization of these as much on this workout, so kind of loosen them up, get them out of the way some. I'm doing, if you look, I'm very close in on the curl here. This to simulate a close grip barbell curl. Then I changed my weight a little lower to widen my grip and simulate a standard barbell curl. Supersetted these, 3 sets only on these, 4 to 6 on the close grip, and again 15 to 20, even went as high as 25 on the wide grip barbell curl. Uh, just by changing the grip here, you definitely feel the burn.
All right, just leaving the gym, did some backs, buys, traps. So had a great workout. Did a little bit of warm-up cardio, some abs at the end. So I'm gonna head home now and do some cardio on the bike or the treadmill later on this evening. So, all right, guys, just finishing up some late night cardio here. Ended up going out, getting a little bit of dinner with the fiance. Stopped at the store, picked us up a dessert of some Halo Top. Only 280 calories for the whole tub. It's posted up on my Instagram. So, gonna get off here, grab a shower, and get to bed. So, just remember, guys, push harder today for a different tomorrow. Later.